Alright, this is day 3 of the carburetor. When you guys saw before, we had a large hole that was in the bowl. Move the light around and show you a little bit more. This is actually a normal hole for the fuel for the main fuel supply for the main jet. This, you see that copper mesh is just a simple copper wire, or stranded wire, through a 2mm hole. And what we're going to try to do in this one, instead of welding it and epoxying it and JB welding it and all that other stuff, is we're going to try to solder that in. Simple piece of wire fed through, held by tape. You can see that in where a little bit of wire is coming through. When we're done, we're going to cut that off, but I have that held in place. This wire meshed out, pushed out to the sides, and hoping that the solder is going to take it. Problem with this case is it's a zinc alloy, and the temperatures on these things are really low. Reason is they are really cheap to make. That's how they made it get affordable. Real low end, but it works. You just have to do stuff like this when you get holes in it. There's other ways to fix some of this stuff. I've seen JB weld. There's other low temperature brazing. I'm going with what I've got right here. So we're gonna see what happens. Stand by. Stay tuned. Parts. That's what you've been, but to give us an eyeball for it. It's close. He's about 19, and I'm actually going to leave it. And give me a touch more fuel.